Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have two quick and easy home decor DIYs using some Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby items. So for my first DIY, I will be taking 3 bundles of these branches that I found at the Dollar Tree and I will just be removing the greenery from these bouquets. Now I'll be coating my branches with Mod Podge. And then I will be sprinkling on this fine silver glitter that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Once my branches have dried, I'm going to add them back to the stems, and then I will be taking more Mod Podge and silver glitter, and I will be covering the part where my stems and branches meet. I will be spraying my branches with this adhesive spray that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and then I will be setting my branches aside to dry. So here is the final look at my glitter branches. I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. Let me know down below, what do you think about this transformation? Let me know down below if you would like to see how I will create a weeping willow using these branches. Second DIY, I'll be using this round mirror and gold Dollar Tree floral wire. 12 pieces of wire at a 11-inch length. Taking some of this super glue gel, and I will be gluing down my wires to the back of this mirror. And now I'm going to be taking some hot glue, and I will be gluing down a piece of cardboard to the back of this mirror. I will also be using some black felt to finish off the bottom of this candle holder. Now I will be bending my wires out almost like a birdcage shape, and then at the top I will be bending it back straight to be able to tie my wires together. Rubber band, I'm going to be taking 6 of my wires, and I will be tying those and using some of this thinner floral wire and some super glue. I'm just going to secure all these wires together at the very top. And then taking my hot glue, I'm going to be gluing down the remaining 6 pieces of wire. And then taking some more super glue and some more floral wire to secure these wires. Now taking some more of the thinner floral wire, I'm just going to loop this around twice to create my handle for my birdcage. And you want to be sure to loop this in between the smaller floral wires so that it doesn't hang down once you add the pearl beads. And I'm adding 12 pearl beads on each side. Taking some of this rhinestone chain, I'm just going to cover up my wires. So I purchased this beaded garland from Hobby Lobby and it's originally $9.99, but I got it for 50% off on sale. And I'm just going to be taking this garland and I'm going to be removing these beaded sprays. I will be adding those to my candle holder. And I'm just going to intertwine this into the gold floral wire to kind of make it look like it is a vine going up the wire. And I'm using 3 of these pieces for a single piece of wire. And then you can embellish this at your liking, but I'm just going to do my front 2 wires, skip 1 and do the 3rd wire on each side, and then the 2 wires in the back. So here's the final look at my birdcage candle holder. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and very, very unique. I added some fairy lights and these beautiful blush pink peonies from the Dollar Tree. Or you can use a battery operated candle. So let me know down below, what do you think about this unique birdcage candle holder? Is this something you would try? And do you like the fairy light version or do you like it with the battery operated candle? I think either one looks absolutely gorgeous. I want to thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time and I will see you in the next video.